Hey there everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in today's video I want to share with you my thoughts on how you can make money as a video editor and also how you can make money as a content creator. We are living in a world in which getting paid by YouTube is really simple, in which getting paid as a video editor is really good, like if we compare it 20 to 30 years ago. I'm someone who managed 7 YouTube channels across whole YouTube. This channel, Marcus Stone, it's educational content, so it grows more slowly, but steadily. I have channel, for example, on which I'm getting like 40 to 50,000 views per day. And it's pretty cool. And now, how you can make money. In my opinion, the best way is to make YouTube videos about the topic you like and trying to master it. Trying to be the best in that market as you can. Educational videos, entertainment, gaming industry, beauty and lifestyle. That's a really great way because you are your own boss and no one is bossing you, no clients, nothing. That's really cool. But there is a second option how you can make money as a video editor, and then just by recording shoots for companies and also recording weddings. That's what I was doing before I went full-time YouTube. Before I was full-time YouTuber, I was a partner in a video production company and we were doing weddings. I was recording stuff for companies. I was even in one of videos in which I was representing a product in Greece. So that was really amazing stuff. The best thing, the best advice is to have combine your passion for something with discipline and with strategy. And now we will get to something even more important, how to get those clients. First, you need a website. Go on wix.com, create on a WordPress your website. That's the first step. But the second step, most important, is the marketing of your product, of your videos. What you should do is to make 3-4 videos for free. 3-4 videos on which potential customers would say, all right, this guy is creating good stuff. And then you would market them in your local groups on Facebook, on already. Let's say that you are from Los Angeles, you would join Los Angeles Facebook groups and then you will share your videos there. And it will work. Like, okay, you are creating weddings and you would like to create a wedding for somebody. I mean, people are going to get to you. And if you have problem with getting clients, write me down in the comments what you do, what you want to achieve. And I will try to help you out on how you can do it better, because I have a skill set in that field. And now I will talk to you about the passion, how important it is and also how pointless it is. Because passion will get you through the hard times. I honestly believe in that. When I don't want to make videos or when I'm sad and I don't know what to do, passion will help me in that. But you need discipline. Like guys, when I wake up, I need to be disciplined to make videos. It's not like I don't enjoy it, but sometimes I don't want to. But I know that I need to get through it. That's like, I'm a swimmer. I love swimming. But 5 out of 10 times, 6 out of 10 times, I don't like going to swim. I just hate it because I need to jump to the cold water and the first 500 meters are just bad and boring. But I know I need to do it. I need to do it. And that's where the discipline comes. And I have the muscle memory, okay, I'm going to swim. And the last thing is being patient with your discipline and passion. That's also so important. In the past, there was like saying that to create a really great company, you need to wait like 20 years to succeed. Not 1, not 2 months. I'm seeing right now content creators, video editors quitting YouTube, quitting video editing companies after 2 months when they made like 10 videos. I'm on YouTube 3 years. For 3 years, I'm making videos. First year and a half, I made $0. I jumped on YouTube when there were like 2 apocalypses. I got 2 channels demonetized. Yet I'm here. Yet I'm working. Yet I'm grinding. So this was kind of rant video. I don't know what to expect from it. I don't know if I helped someone, but just it takes time to create something. And as a video editor, you need to understand that. And also focus on the content which generates value also from 2 years from now, 3 years from now. That's a really good advice I have for you. Thank you all, everybody. Hope this video wasn't that bad. Anyhow, goodbye.